So this song is for the tutus, all of you that are tutus. And this was written by my cousin, Kawai Kapu. He used to live up the road from me in Haiku, Kaneohe, and I lived down the road. And he was always a tutu's boy. His grandma is Auntie Eva Kanae. Out of his 9 siblings, he's always with grandma. And anyway, the tutu, like our tutu that passed away, and they are the highest. They're like the queens of the family, especially when the oldest one and when they reach into their 90s, because we have a lot of tutus that are in their 90s, and they are the queen of us and the king of us, our tutu kani and our tutu wahine. So Kawai Kapu wrote this song, and my other cousin, Teresa, who lived in the middle of the road between on Haiku, she sings it. And we have to play the CD because, you know, I couldn't get her to come up here. I told her, just come up here and we'll put the CD on and you can just show face, but that's all right. So the kids will do it for you with the CD. And this goes to all the tutus, and especially to my sister, because when she had her first mo'opuna, instead of Auntie, her name became Tutu, Tutu Karini. So all the tutus, especially when you get your first mo'opuna, you become the tutu. And the great-grandparents, grandmother and grandfather become the tutu. Okay, you ready, girls? Okay, we gotta hurry up. Okay.
How fortunate for the little children that they were able to find the old kahuna Kanae, who lived in a cave at the base of Le'ahi. The kahuna's great power came from the heavens above. Their badly hurt friend, who had crashed into a reef while he was surfing, would now be saved.
Kids. I love my tutu.
Aloha nui e. Tutu. Aloha nui e.
Tutu.
Tutu.
Ha'i, not ha'i.
Punahele.
I think her favorite. Iku'uwa.
tutu.
Love my tutu.
Aloha nui e.
I love my tutu.
Tutu. Aloha nui e.
Tutu.
Tutu.
Pa'i.
Pa'i.
Soft pa'i.
Punahele
Iku'uwa.
iku wakamali e.
She plays with me
Mili mili hamo hamo
and she puts me to sleep.
ohi aloe tutu.
Aloha.
Aloha nui e.
I love my tutu
Tutu.
with all my heart.
Aloha nui
I have big heart, girls. Open up.